Okay, okay. A CSX. There it is. Yes, yes, yes. A CSX. We're racing a CSX, bro. Let's go. Who will win, Metro or CSX? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Seeing good cold trains like these just give me the chills. Wow. CSXT 302234 390619 BL48 right here. Going from West Virginia. Oh, wow. Oh wow, look at that guy. We're going as fast as a train. Oh dang, now we're slowing down. Let me go to the window to film it.
Thank you, driver.
Bro, come on. Ah, dang, there goes the train.